चमक उठी सन 57 में, वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह, हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Good morning everyone. This is Seema Prabhakaran. The introductory lines recited in the video are from the famous poem of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. These lines took us to the revolt which was fought by Rani Lakshmi Bai, and it showed the valor and courage which was shown by Rani in this revolt. So today we are going to start a new lesson in history, lesson number 5, the revolt of 1857. Let's find out which other leaders fought in this revolt and what were the causes of the revolt. We have seen how after the revolt of Plassey in 18th century, the British went about establishing political and economic control over India. Within the next century, most of the country was brought under British rule. The once powerful Mughals lost most of their authority. Although Bahadur Shah Zafar was recognized as the Mughal emperor by the British, he exercised no real powers. Although the British had emerged as the supreme political power by the mid-19th century, their exploitative policies and insensitive rule fueled a lot of resentment among Indians. Resentment is anger. Indian rulers were unhappy with the British as they had been forced to surrender their kingdoms and powers to the company. Landlords and peasants were suffering because of the high revenue the company charged from them. Tribals were angered by the loss of their traditional way of life. Craftspersons resented the economic policies of the British, which had cost them their livelihoods. Indian sepoys in the British army were also discontented with the poor salaries and living conditions. The laws introduced by the British to reform Indian society, the work of Christian missionaries, and the encouragement of English language in schools also caused much resentment. There were a number of uprisings against the British and their policies in the 18th and 19th centuries. Most of these revolts were confined to small areas and therefore the British managed to suppress them successfully. But in 1857, a sepoy mutiny set off a violent rebellion against the British, which quickly spread across northern India. A mutiny refers to a rebellion by soldiers against their officers. Unlike earlier, the revolt of 1857 evoked a massive response from all sections of the Indian society. From military regiments, rulers, landlords, peasants to ordinary Indians, everyone joined the revolt to oust the British, means to remove the British. In fact, the revolt threatened the continuance of the company's rule in India and is regarded by some historians as the biggest armed struggle against colonial rule in the 19th century in the world. Others consider it the first war of Indian independence. It took the East India Company, which was taken completely by surprise, 2 years to crush the revolt. Afterwards, the British tried to brush it aside as a mutiny by a handful of sepoys. But in reality, the rebellion saw people from different sections of the society rising against the British. In fact, in many places, civilians revolted against the British much before the sepoys reached them. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.